Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10e, and let me show you how to check the battery life on the following device and also some other advanced option of your battery. So at the very beginning, open list of all applications, then locate and pick the settings. Here you should scroll down to the very bottom of the list and select About Phone. Now scroll down one more time and go to Battery Information, so you will be able to see your phone battery status, remaining power and other important information. So as you can see, here is your battery status, here is the battery level and also capacity. So let's go back to the settings and now find and pick device care, so it's this icon, and now here you will notice the battery, so just open it. Here you can see the estimated battery life, so it's 65% for now. Also the apps which are on and which are using your battery, just tap on battery usage to see the whole statistics, and now you can notice the estimated battery life, which is based on your usage over the last 7 days. So it's pretty useful once your battery is pretty low and you want to check how you can save it, or you just need some information about your battery. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.